Hi. This is all over the world. Girls, they like spicy things. Guys, they like sweet things. So, guys, ayam is chicken.
Yeah.
Right. And
Lele is kind of fish.
lele is fish. Not too spicy, but it's really, really good. I like it. Thank you so much. So, how much did you pay?
So for the seblak, if you want to see something sweet, you can just look at me.
Oh my god. Assalamualaikum friends and welcome to Karim Travel Advisors. Umeed hai sab theek honge. I'm at this place, it's central Jakarta. I'm at a food street. It's near Grand Indonesia and Plaza Indonesia. I'm with a friend. She's called Fifi. Fifi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Thank you so much for inviting me to this place. Fifi will be telling you more about this place and more about the food because actually I don't know much about it. So we'll be showing the local food today and we're in the food street, right,
Yeah.
Fifi? So let's go. Guys, this place is so busy. You can see those shops there, the food stalls there, food stalls here. Like, oh my god.
This is actually West Java food, traditional food.
Okay.
And then it's kind of snack, but they have it like a soup.
Soup.
Yeah, soup.
Okay.
Ya, aku mau coba yang special complete. So there are a lot of toppings.
Okay.
And then this is for the price.
All right.
Like for the original one, it's 10K.
Okay, 10K. Yeah.
ADR. But for the special one, which is a complete topping,
Okay.
it's
17,000. Right.
We're gonna
17K.
try for the complete one.
All right. Okay.
Mas, aku mau yang special complete ya. Makasih. Sedang aja. You can eat spicy or not?
No spice.
Iya. Nanti ambil video.
Hi.
Coba satu. Yang complete. You can take a video. I already asked for it.
All right. Thank you.
I will put like 6 or 5 spoons of chili.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm so serious.
Oh my
I love spicy.
You like spicy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you have to try. It's hot.
It's hot?
Of course.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah, it's nice, right?
Really nice. I like it.
Actually, this one is my favorite topping. We call it like siomai, and then batagor.
Okay. Guys, I'll tell you this thing. It's a bit spicy, okay, not too spicy, but it's really, really good. I like it. Thank you so much.
Stay away. a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid.
So how much do you pay?
So for the seblak, it's 17.
Okay.
And then for the tissue, 5K.
Okay.
For the mineral water, 5K.
So it's like
Yeah, 27.
27. Yeah, right, 27. Okay. So now
Not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. I'm gonna go away.
guys, ayam is chicken.
Yeah.
Right. And
Lele is kind of fish.
lele is fish.
Yeah.
All right.
And then nila is also fish.
Nila is also fish.
And then
What's terong? Or no, terong is something like
yeah,
vegetables. Okay. And,
vegetables. Ikan asin like salted fish.
and what is beef? What do you call beef?
Daging.
Daging.
Daging, yeah.
Daging. All right.
Vegetable.
Okay.
But pate. The smell is not really good after you
All
eat
right.
pate.
Oh my god. Okay. What are these?
Tofu. We call it gorengan.
What are they made of?
This is tofu, and then for mendoan is tempe.
Huh? Okay.
Kind of snack in Indonesia.
Oh, kind of
Snacks.
snacks. All right, they're snacks.
So
Okay.
you don't eat gorengan with nasi.
Oh, okay.
Because the gorengan is just like a tofu and then tempe and then like this.
Okay,
Is gorengan also.
This is gorengan, huh?
Yeah. This is gorengan.
Right. It's made of.
Bakso goreng. Bakso it's meatball.
Oh, it's meatballs.
I wish I could be strong, survival on my own, but now I'm running out of hope. I need somebody else to save me from myself, a love too precious to let go. I've been searching for someone for all my life. should find it. Don't dare to let go if you hold on tight. Promise you'll be alright.
Right, guys, we're gonna try this sweet thing. What's it called?
Sebuah.
Sabua. You're gonna try sabua.
Buah means fruit.
Bua means fruit. Alright, sabua. So you're gonna try sabua and see how it is. I hope it tastes sweet. And Veve was saying something. If you want to try something sweet, no, if you want something sweet.
If you want to see something sweet, you can just look at me.
Oh my god. Oh. Alright. The problem is the light. Light's coming from this side. You see now when we put the camera on this side, see, it looks so better.
Yeah.
So, anyways, I don't know what to do now.
Like this, you hold the camera.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby, and be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time.
This is all over the world. Girls they like spicy things, guys like sweet things. तो guys आप लोगों ने फूड स्ट्रीट देख ली. आज के लिए इतना ही. मुझे मीठा ज़्यादा पसंद था. वैसे दूसरा फूड बहुत स्पाइसी था. अभी हम कहीं और जा रहे हैं. आई थिंक वेयर आर वी गोइंग? सॉरी? Warung restaurant. Okay, we're going to a Turkish restaurant. मेरे दूसरे भाई जो हैं वो इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. जिन भाई की दोस्त हैं अब्दुर्रहमान भाई, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. फिफी ने काफ़ी हेल्प की और अभी हम आपकी तरफ ही आ रहे हैं. खैर फिफी ने बताया कि आपने बुलाया है टर्किश रेस्टोरेंट, तो अभी टर्किश रेस्टोरेंट जा रहे हैं गाइस. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.
Thinking about you, baby. I'm hanging on to my baby. I miss you every day. You are the one who got away. Don't wanna take it slow.